Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. I encourage you to watch all the other episodes if you have not watched them, so you can follow the dog stories in our neighborhood. All the dogs that we feature and we create in this show has their personality. Learn all of them if you want, so you get to know our favorite dogs in the community. Once in a while, I create all sorts of crafts and hobbies. I have so many hobbies. Look at this mess. This is all I created. Well, that's the life of an artist. Sometimes you're so organized and sometimes you're a slob. It's okay because somebody in the neighborhood is in charge of cleaning the entire community, and that is Russ, the janitor of the Doggo Bay community. If that dog is not here, I don't know how we're gonna be able to make this community clean. I don't think I can do it by myself. If you know any janitor out there, make sure to thank them. Alright, we gotta get going. Today's episode is Jack Russell, the janitor of our community.
I can't believe how much work we needed to do to clean a dog barn.
Yeah. We have 5 more to do, Dane. I've been doing this for years. I kind of became an expert at this.
Thanks for training me, Russ. These barns are so important in our neighborhood. After you sculpt with Joanne, we'll go on to the next barn. I know the next barn is way smaller than the last one.
Get the boogie on, make my day. Woo! Usually, Russ charges us per hour of his cleaning services. With me, he doesn't charge me at all. I know why. Because every time I sculpt a dog, these dogs come to life. The more I sculpt, the more dogs we're able to adopt from the animal shelter. That's the Doggo Bay community is all about. We're helping the Doggo Bay community and we're helping the animal shelter too. Amazing! And that's why Russ is happy to clean my studio for free. Because I sculpt the dogs for free too. More friends for us.
Hold on to my broom, okay? Give me 10 minutes.
Ask Joanne if she needs us cleaning her art studio too.
Hi, Joanne. Do you have time to sculpt me a little early today? Dane and I are so busy cleaning the barn, I'm afraid I may not have time to come here later.
The studio is such a mess right now, Russ. I've been kinda slowly cleaning it up because I know you want to clean up my art studio. I know you enjoy it so much.
Come to the rescue!
Wow, Russ! My art studio is squeaky clean.
That's my specialty.
Well, okay then. Let's sculpt now so we can show them how to create a Jack Russell Terrier.
Get on it.
Preparation: polymer clay, brown, white, black, toothpicks, any tool with a rounded tip, brush in baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books, and the Jack Russell Terrier tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake Book 3. Wow, that was easy, right? Jack Russell Terrier dog. When you decide to create this dog sculpture, make sure to emphasize the fur on the face. We need to make sure that the fur around the snout looks rough. They don't have really large ears, but the ears are folded forward, but they're kind of erected on the side, so it looks like they're very smart. That's it! Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn how to sculpt 60 dog breeds to create. For all the cat lovers, I wrote a book for cats. It's called Kitty Bake Polymer Clay. I have a great news for you. This year, I'm writing 2 books. One is the Critter Bake Polymer Clay, and one is the DIY Realistic Dog Sculpture Book 2. This is for all of you animal lovers out there. Watch for that. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell on the right side so you will be the first people to see my next video coming up. If you want to support my channel and if you want to support me as a creator, visit my educational commerce website, doggobake.com, to see other products that I offer. See you again next Friday for another dog.